What's up, everybody? Welcome to Wear It Well! Now, something that we definitely can all agree on is that just because athletic wear is comfortable and casual, that doesn't mean it can't be stylish and flattering. Okay, am I the only one that wears athleisure every day, all day?
No.
Okay, so we need to look cute in it. So I can't wait for us all to find the perfect fit for you. Now, before we get in our athletic wear, let's talk about it. Lana, you feel like you had some things to say.
Okay, I feel like this is my category, so I may speak more than Grace this time around because I have mastered athleisure.
No, seriously, let's keep it real.
100.
When Lana graduated from executive assistant to now being on the management team, me and Grace were like, well, girl, you know, now you gotta look like the boss babe that you are. That's right. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want people to take you seriously. Yeah. Even in your athleisure, we were like, let's step that up too. So that's what we're gonna do today. We know that you're comfortable in it.
It's
you
my
love
favorite.
it.
This is my favorite episode ever, guys.
Now let's make it like fashion. Yeah. It actually is the main thing that motivates me to get to the gym. Is if I have a new cute piece of workout clothes, I'm like, oh, let me get out there and look cute in it.
Want to like jog everywhere.
Find a man.
It's a cute wear. A lot of people actually meet their boyfriends at the gym. I'm just saying, this episode is for you. Let's do this, ladies. Are you ready?
All right,
let's do it.
Let's jog.
She says she loves athleisure and she gets inspired by it to go to the gym, so I'm hoping I'm gonna be inspired by this outfit. Come on, Rocky. Yeah. That was a skip and a jump coming out. Yes, yes.
I'm ready.
I love it. You look ready. You look amazing.
Thanks.
Come through in the all white.
I know. I personally, when I go to the gym, I like to bulk up a little bit more because I like shape. So I tend to gravitate towards more like brighter, lighter colors to kind of motivate myself.
Got it, because a lot of people say that wearing black actually thins you out. So you're trying to do the exact opposite.
I don't wear black to the gym.
By wearing white. That's actually a great tip for people. If you actually want to look thicker, put on white or colorful colors.
Yeah, I want to look a little thicker. And it's just like a clean, like kind of classy look. It's like, you know, I'm going to play tennis or something. I don't know.
This is so dope. These are like motorcycle, like
moto well, these are breathable panels, so they look really cool, but they also have a function. These are Aloe, which are it's like a yoga brand, so it's really good for stretching.
Oh, this is so dope.
Right?
And it's comfortable.
Yeah, and it just kind of squeezes everything together too.
It's a MIDI sports bra and a high waist legging.
Like I could wear this all day, you know, and like still look cute.
Yeah, you'd like run into things like dope sunglasses and you're just like running my errands and you're still cute and the booty looks bomb. I feel you, girl.
Thank you.
I'm into this. So Aloe Yoga, love this. Styling and profiling in her activewear. Come on out, Grace. Let me see what you, hey! Okay, is it me or does everybody have a little extra pep in their step in this outfit?
It's just, I love this. It's so comfy.
Talk to me about it. I love the fact that, especially from like a mom's perspective, why you love activewear so much.
I love it because I literally pick up, live in this, and I love that it has a matching track jacket. For me, this is core, by the way.
And I love that it's camo. I don't know if it's a New York thing or what. I like to kind of like, I feel like you don't see me.
You're like, I'm in camouflage. I also think it's important, again, we talk about the most important thing in wearing it well is feeling comfortable.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
it's not about being thin or slim or not, because you're clearly super slim, but you're just like, I don't want to be in like my sports bra walking around like that.
And there's people who feel the opposite, and exactly what size you are, you feel confident. You know, for me, I don't know if it's so much confidence. It's more like I feel like I'm out there.
Yeah.
And it's not my personality.
Correct.
More than anything. More than anything. It's not that I don't like how I I know that I am thin, and I know, you know, but it's just, I don't feel comfortable.
I love that. No, I think that's so important that, like, just because, let's be honest, even if you had a six-pack, that doesn't mean you have to walk around in a, like, itty-bitty, teeny little bra. And, like, no, you wear what feels good to you. Wearing it well means wearing it comfortably.
For you.
Yeah, for you. So whatever makes you feel good, that's what we want for sure. I love this. I think that also because you're all about fashion.
Yeah.
That you love the camo on it, because now it doesn't look like it's just like, oh, I left the gym, but no, I'm making a statement.
And I have to say, there's so many different like prints now, cuts, silhouettes. There's like a moto style one now with pants where there's like side panels, there's cutouts. I was at Bloomingdale's the other day. They have little shorts with cutouts. Adidas has, Stella McCartney has a great brand with Adidas. They did a collaboration. It's great. So
you look bomb.
Thank you.
She's most comfortable in athleisure, so she's super excited about this. Lana, come on out here with all that excitement.
I'm here, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't knock anything over.
No, you scared me, but I was like, whoa. You look amazing.
Thank you. Do you like this? Do you finally approve athleisure?
No, I love this, but I think this is, again, athleisure that looks chic and trendy. And, oh my God, there's so much to discuss about this. Why did you pick this?
So I picked the jacket because it is not striped all around and actually has the chevron shape, which creates an illusion for my midsection.
Yeah, and I see you're not wearing black, which I'm shocked.
Navy blue is the next darkest color, so it's very slimming. So I also chose that as an option, and obviously I'm not gonna walk around in a sports bra just because I'm not comfortable.
Yeah, I get that.
Maybe 5 seasons from now, we might be there. But for right now, I got this.
Windbreaker jacket?
A windbreaker jacket. Look, fashion's not my first language.
No, then let me do the talking. Why do you keep trying?
I'm just very excited to be in this.
We saw that Grace had on a jacket. This is completely different. This is a windbreaker jacket, so it's actually more loose fitting and it's water resistant, which is awesome when you're working out, especially if you're gonna sweat. I really love what you have underneath because your sports bra actually has ruching on it. How cool is this?
And no padding because I have larger breasts.
Yeah, so you're like, I don't need any padding. But I love how this looks. I love the ruching of it. It's very feminine still, even though it's a sports bra. I love the V cutting down because you're like, hi, I've got great cleavage. Let's show it. And that you feel comfortable with, right?
Yeah, I love this whole look. I love that I'm in sneakers. It's just amazing. We should do more of athletic wear.
What brand is this?
The pants are Aloe, and they're called the Airbrush because they're like very tight and hugging.
Oh,
and they're high-waisted.
Because I've got to be honest with you, I always wonder, you don't have cellulite at all, which is crazy.
Which is good.
Which I have cellulite for sure. Yeah, I have cellulite. So these kind of pants would actually be amazing for anyone who actually does have cellulite as well. That's not even your problem area. They just happen to be.
But they feel great. The sports bra is also Aloe, and the jacket is Aqua, but it kind of goes, no?
No, it totally goes. I even like the metallic vibes. Can I be honest with you, Lana? What makes this not look like just regular athleisure is the metallic vibe in here. It looks like fashion. So it's about finding things that you feel comfortable in, but at the same time, you're still making a statement. That's actually really fly. You need the Kim Kardashian, the big silver sunglasses. Okay.
And just walk around like...
I'm totally going to grab those for you, and we're gonna add that to this look, but you look amazing, girl.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Athleisure, what a fashion statement.
Let's do more of this.
I see you in the metallics, girl. I see you shining. I love that she's always coming through with something playful and fun, just like her personality. So come on out, Taysha. Let's see what you're working with.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh my God, I love this. Come through in the baby blue snake print. You look amazing in this.
Thank you. I mean, I love a print. I love being bold and beautiful.
Yes, I hear that. Why did you pick this style? I always say that, like, me and Taysha, we could probably wear very similar things.
Yeah.
Because we both are, like, super curvy. But, okay, this is when people say high waist, and they give me something that comes up to here, I want to slap them. I'm like, that's not high waist. This, to me,
super high waist.
Super high. That's the kind of high waist I like as well.
The good thing about this is that it is a high waist, but this is tummy control.
Ooh.
So a lot of people don't know that athletic wear, what they consider high waist is really tummy control.
you have upper abs, so you show off the things that like look dope. Come
upper
on, flex,
abs, but no abs.
flex them for us, yes. Ow, she's got upper abs, so she's showing those off, showing the girls off too. Hey.
They are out, they are out. The good thing about this bra is that it does have bra straps, like,
which is super
like
rare.
a spaghetti, yeah, like.
Look, so you can actually pull them up
So
or
these girls
down.
get to be managed by the strap.
Yeah, I hate that. I hate it when I wear something that doesn't have straps on it because I either want it tighter or I want it looser, but you gotta give me that option.
Exactly.
So
exactly.
I love that. And
Yeah.
this is a 3-piece. Why did you pick a 3-piece?
Okay, so this is actually my 2-piece is from Beach Riot, and then my jacket is from Good American.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You don't always have to buy from one total brand, and that's
Yeah.
like the look. I love the fact that you can have multiple things in your closet that you can mix and match to create your perfect athleisure look.
This is actually my errand outfit and my laundry and my coffee. However,
Where do you do your laundry?
at Chateau Houghton.
Keep it real. Keep it real, Taysha.
So I come here.
So I come to your house to do my laundry.
The laundromat.
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome.
It's a cute one.
So yeah, I walk around in this all day, and then at some point I do end up at the beach to do a workout. So once I get there, I take this off, work out, put this back on, and
yeah, you're like, I
continue
feel
on.
comfortable in my 2-piece for the workout,
Exactly.
but not for walking around
Exactly.
all day.
So this is like my athleisure, and then this is my workout.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
I get
It's like a
that.
2-for-1.
You look fabulous. I love it when you can do both. I'm comfy and I'm fly. Yes.
So now that you've seen our athleisure, the woman who put her athleisure to use the most this summer and dropped them 20 pounds, Adrienne, woo! Come on out, baby girl.
Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Wow. That
Damn.
color is incredible.
Okay.
That's a good color.
Yeah.
I am the weirdo that literally is like, how can I actually see my flaws? Because then it'll force me
Yeah.
to work out more. So I'm like, go half naked to the gym and see what we need to work on. Be like, let's squat.
Girl, not a damn thing.
And I also work out with my husband a lot.
Oh.
So I'm like,
So you're like, baby, let me be your
building
motivation.
sexual tension in the gym.
Got it, got it.
It's dope, you know. Exactly. I'm like, let me be your motivation. Let's be each other's
Your motivation.
I love it.
I need a gym
This is actually by ZUMBA.
Oh.
I didn't even know that ZUMBA made
Me
athletic wear, but hello, I'm into
It looks great.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie to you, I've actually had these for a really long time. These are my personal workout pieces, and I have had these for at least like 4 years.
Yeah, I feel like I've seen it.
You
You don't
absolutely
feel
have.
blue wearing them though, like not a.
No, but I love it. I think another thing that I hate about athletic wear is, does anybody else feel claustrophobic in a sports bra or trying to get it on?
Oh yeah, so
it's so
tight.
big.
Oh
material,
my, I will
yeah.
be in there like this, like I'm gonna die
Yeah.
in this sports bra.
Yeah.
So because this is not, that's not that same thing. Like it's easy to put on, but at the same time, again, this is high waist. I will not be walking around with something that shows my belly button. No, thank you. That's taking it just too far. I feel good in this. It's bright. It's fun.
Yeah. Love it.
Yeah.
An 80s vibe to it, too,
Right?
you know?
Yeah.
It's a little
Very
Jane
fun.
Fonda moment, but not really.
Yeah,
I love it.
I
I
love
love
it.
the print.
Can we see the back?
Yeah. Look. What's going on back there?
So cute.
Just a really nice.
Yeah, really nice.
No, I feel like that's also something that I can be self-conscious about. It's like rolls in the back, so I like that it's like kind of
Yeah.
yeah. There's not a lot of space there for a whole roll to come out. You know what I'm
I love
saying?
that.
I'm
Look
also not like a psycho cardio person, so I don't need as much support in the breast area. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that I feel
And I feel
hot
like it's
while
very
doing it.
you. I feel like this really describes your personalities,
Yeah.
even in
Yeah.
athletic wear.
Yeah.
Right?
Girl, this is my whole personality.
I
Right
see
here,
it.
this
We
is
got
Lana
it. Got
in
it.
an outfit right
Life,
here.
I would be like this.
I love it. Well, I hope you guys got to know our personalities, and hopefully we got you to find out what it is that would look amazing on you when you're rocking athletic wear. Be comfortable and be fly. Don't forget to subscribe.